to the music. May Allah guide him. Not only your husband, many Muslims listen to the music and they post the music. Make dua for them. May Allah guide them. And also, sisters, one of the main points why we are doing haram, why many Muslims are doing haram, because we are not using our time in a proper way. We are away from the Quran. We find it very difficult to spend 10 minutes with the Quran. Wallahi, we find it very difficult. Many Muslims, not all Muslims. Difficult to stay with the Quran 10 minutes. To open the Quran 10 minutes, you read 10 pages, 5 pages, difficult. But you listen to, when you watch one movie, one music, 1 hour, 2 hours, or even the nasheed without music. I am happy and I am ready to listen to 5, 6 nasheed, spending 1 hour, 2 hours. So let's fill our heart with the Quran, with the Hadith. Of course, I don't mean 24 hours, but try to read more, listen more. This will be helpful to leave the music. And also find good friends. And also try to use the time. Sometimes you are sitting with your family and you are not happy. Why? Because my family, my parents, my khala, my amma, auntie and uncles, they are watching the TV, music. Try to find something else halal as a replacement. Start to speak about stories of the prophets, story of the biography of Rasulullah, stories of the companions. Wallahi, inshallah, they will listen and they will leave the haram.